Good morning, girls. Today I will tell you about uh, land use pattern of India. For that, I have taken help of Google Earth. So this is our country, India. Now, when we have to study land use pattern, every country puts its land to various uses. Like you can see, all the countries have got land, and it has been used for different purposes. So likewise, India also has put its land for various uses, and that is called as land use pattern. Okay, so the first category that we have to understand about land use pattern in India is net sown area. Net sown area is the agricultural area of India. So if we zoom and just see areas of India, you'll find that portions of Uttar Pradesh. We're zooming and trying to see how much is the net zone area. So if you see now, here you can see. Now this all green patch and the fields, the brown fields also, this is called as net zone area. So net zone means the area which is under agriculture. In between you can see that there are some villages also. So there is a village and there nearby other fields. So if you have to define what is a net zone area is an area which is agriculturally important. Now, if I zoom out, then you can easily see how much net zone area India has. This is just one small part of Uttar Pradesh. And if we zoom out and if we see the whole country, now you're seeing the whole Uttar Pradesh, you imagine how much net zone area India has. So overall, India has a large part of net zone area. So I'll move this side. Now see which all states of India has a large part of net zone area. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, part of Assam Valley, parts of Orissa, little part of Gujarat, this side of Rajasthan, and Peninsular India has net zone area. India has around 140.80 hectare area under net zone area, which is quite large, and it makes 46% of India's total land. So I'll show you again. Out of the total land what India has, 46% comes under net zone area. So this much net zone area we have with us. You can say that around 50% of land of India is under agriculture. Okay, so what is area sown more than once? In net zone area, there are some fields where agriculture is done more than once. I'll take you to West Bengal for this. The land of West Bengal, which is agriculturally so important as it is near delta. You can see here, this is Ganga Brahmaputra delta. So in West Bengal, the land has been used for more than once in a year. That is called as gross sown area. Okay, so gross sown area in West Bengal, state like West Bengal, is very high. Now this is agriculturally so important that people grow crops over a piece of land for more than once in a year. That means these fields are grown twice or thrice. For example, a farmer grows rice for during monsoon, then during winter season it grows again rice over here, and then again when it is summer season starts, they again grow rice in this region. So this is how an area is grown thrice. Similarly, if you go to Punjab, in Punjab maybe in winters they grow wheat, and in summers they grow rice, and in a short span of rainy season they grow maize. So three crops are grown. If you have seen the field nearby our school, which is just next to our school, there also you will find that farmers grow wheat, rice and maize. So in a year three crops are grown. This is how an area can be grown more than once, and that is known as gross sown area. Okay. So what is the difference between net sown area and gross sown area? Agricultural land, the piece of land is called as net sown area. So I'll give you example from here. For example, these five fields of farmer A. So you can say farmer A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces as net sown area. But if farmer A is growing crops more than 3 times, 2 times, or 1 time in these fields, then this land is utilized more than once. That is called as gross sown area. Okay, so this is typically land use pattern of the country. Land use word means how the land is utilized. Now here, if you see in this picture, what comes to your mind? How is the land utilized? Land is utilized for residence, land is utilized for agriculture, land is utilized for construction of roads. So that is called as land use pattern. Now let's go to next category of land use. The next category of land use is forest land. So in India, a large part of area is under forest. Let's see this forest cover in Uttarakhand. This is forest area. So that is also land use. So here the land is used for what purposes? It is used for forest areas. You see this? This is a forest patch. So land is used for forest purposes. This is called as forest land, and India has 22.89% of land under forest. Now let's see the patch all over the country. So forest area has 26%. Here, this land is wasteland. This particular land is called as wasteland. You can see it is used for no purpose. This is Pakistan. This is India. Can you see any use of land here? Anything grown? Any industry? Any house? Nothing is there. So when a land is rocky, barren, arid and dry, where nothing can be grown, it is called as wasteland. So a part of land is also called as wasteland. Wasteland in India is in Rajasthan and also in Gujarat. So these are the portions of wasteland. Here, this is also wasteland area. Okay, so this is another purpose of land. In India, we have wasteland as high as 3.37. 3.37% of land is wasted in India, which is quite big actually in size when we talk about in total area. Even the high rugged areas, these areas of Jammu Kashmir, hilly areas of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, mountainous rugged region where neither vegetation is there or no use of land is done is also called as wasteland. So I hope you have understood what we are studying the topic, and I'll explain you next topic with the help of your textbook notes.